I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Landbank mobile banking. First, you need to download the official Landbank mobile banking application. It's available for free on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and carefully read through the terms and conditions presented. After understanding them, simply tap I agree to proceed with the registration. A stable internet connection will ensure a smooth and quick installation. Before fully using the mobile banking app, you must first be enrolled in Landbank iAccess. This is a crucial prerequisite. You can enroll online through the Landbank website or by visiting any Landbank branch. For online enrollment, you will need your ATM account number and your 4-digit ATM PIN. This process establishes your digital banking credentials, which are essential for accessing the full range of services within the mobile app. Now let's register your account within the mobile app. You can use your existing deposit account, ATM card, prepaid card, or even a credit card to sign up. Carefully input all your personal details, ensuring your registered mobile number and email address are correct. These are vital for security and communication. Next, create a strong and unique user ID and password. Remember, your password should combine letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. To activate your account, you will receive a one-time PIN, or OTP, via SMS to your registered mobile number. Enter this 6-digit code into the app to complete your registration. For enhanced security, register your device within the app. This links your phone to your account, making future logins smoother. You will also receive email confirmations for every successful financial transaction, providing you with a clear record of your banking activities. Enjoy the convenience of secure mobile banking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.